Is it real or is it fake bake? So here we go. First we're going to start off with a cupcake. Check this out. I even have a cute little decorative spoon. And we're going to try and figure out, is this real or is it fake bake? Let's get a close up for you. Alrighty, here we go. Is this real or is it fake bake? Are the votes in? What do we think? Real or fake bake? Especially if you see me make some fake bake. What do we think? Alrighty, here we go. We're gonna find out. Can you see that? Okay, here we go. We're gonna dig in. Is it real or is it fake bake? It's real! There goes my cupcake! Check that out. It is real. Did you guess it right? That is a real cupcake. Oh man, look at that mess. We got a real cupcake here. What about this guy? Real or fake bake? Let's try this. Real or fake bake? Alrighty, I got 2 cupcakes here. What do we think? What's real? What's fake? We don't know. Are they both real or are they both fake? Let's find out. Alright, let's try it. These are the 2 cupcakes you're supposed to decide on. Real or fake bake. But what if I do this? And bring in another one? Oh my goodness. Now what are you gonna do? Alright, let's line these 3 up. What do we think? What do you think? Man, they're all different colors. The frosting's different colors. How can you tell? Only one way to find out. Ready? Which one? Bum, 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 bum. What do we think? Real! Did you guess it? This one is real. A real cupcake. If this is a real cupcake, what do we think? I think I should use a new spoon so I don't make a mess of the other ones. This one is real. How about this? Dun, 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 dun. Fake! Fake bake. Look at that. That one's definitely fake. Okay, we're gonna get into that one. How about this? What do we think here? Ooh, I don't want to try it yet. I'm gonna move these 2 out of the way. What if I showed you this? Oh, look at that. They both look like marshmallows. Okay. I'm making this tricky. I'm showing you multiple things at a time. I'm showing you a few things at a time. Now what are we gonna do? What do we got? Real, fake bake? We don't know because they both look like marshmallows and frosting. Oh my gosh. What do we do? Okay, ready? Da, 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 da. Fake bake. This one's a fake bake. That's fake bake. Do you think this one's real? What if I confuse you with 2? Let's find out. Look at that. That's a marshmallow. A real one. This is totally a real cupcake. Look at that. Yum. Oh my goodness. Did you guess that right? So we have a fake bake and a real cupcake. Cool, check that out. Okay. What about these? Are these also fake bake? Or is there a real one in there? What do we think? You know this one's fake. Let's try. Fake. Fake. These 3 are fake. Oh, look at how pretty they are, though. Aren't those the prettiest little fake bakes? Love it. Alright, let's try another. Why don't we get to the cake? Ooh, I can't wait to show you the cake. How about this cake? Oh, look at how pretty. I'm gonna try and gently tilt it. Okay, so you can see the sides a little. Okay. Is it cake or is it fake bake? Look at that. What if I did this? Now we got 2. Oh my goodness. What do you think about that? Oh, can I tip this gently? What do we think about this one? And then what if I do this? Let me see if I can. Let's try and really confuse you. What if I put this? Can you see that one? Oh my gosh, I almost lost my cakes. What do we think? Alrighty, we have 3 cakes. Check out these 3 cakes. They're so cool. Let's get a close up. Ready or not? Here we go. Alright, I think I'm gonna do 1 cake at a time because I don't know. I really like these. Put a lot of work into these cakes. What do we think about this cake? Look at how pretty that is. I love all the decorations. Got sprinkles on there, everything. Let's see what happens. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go on the back because I might want to use this to decorate again. Here we go. Look, it's real. Oh my gosh, it's a real cake. Yummy. Oh, it's so good. We're gonna put this to the side because I don't want to break it up yet. I just think it's so pretty. This one's real. I love it. Look at that. So pretty. Okay, that to the side. How about this one? Oh, it's so pretty. Check it out. Gently tip it. Look at those decorations. Check that out. What do we think? I'm going to go in the back because I still want to use it to decorate. What do we think? Is it real? Is it fake? Haha! It is a fake-a-bake. It is totally fake. I could hold it upside down and it won't. You could hold it upside down. Check that out. This is a fake bake. Woohoo! Alrighty. What about this one? It's so similar. What do we think about this? It's similar. Look at these two together. What do we think? I really love these. It's so fun. I'm going to try and gently tip it so you can see the designs. Alright, and this is this one. Alright, let's see what happens. I got my spoon. We're going to try this one now. Ready? Here we go. Real cake, look at that. Now this real cake that I made, I actually made it with Jell-O on top. That was so neat. I used Jell-O and frosting. And I tried to make it look just like this. Now how did I make this in my fake bake? Clearly it's not Jell-O. This is actually a window cling. Pretty interesting, huh? Alrighty, there's those two. Pretty cool. Look at that. Okay, what do we think? Which one's real? Which one's fake? We have 2 milkshakes. Which one's real? Which one's fake? What do we think? Alright, let's eat them. As our celebration for our, is it real or is it fake bake? Time to celebrate. Which one? Alrighty, if you guess the pink one is real, you are correct. The pink one is real. Good stuff. Check it out. Bam. Just to make sure I ain't fooling y'all. This red one, definitely fake. Whatever you do, don't get your fake and real ones mixed up. We don't want to hurt your taste. Fake bake! Woohoo! If you like this video, click like, hit subscribe, and leave me some comments. Have you ever tried any fake bake? If you like this fake bake video, check out my other fake bake. We got cupcakes, and I even have Valentine's hearts. Check that out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Now we have these 2 milkshakes. That didn't work. Okay, we have 2 milkshakes. Oh my god. Okay, we have 2 milkshakes. Which one's real? Which one's fake? Okay, I think I should just eat this.